Well, actually, that time, I think we were just joking lang. Nag-have time lang having time lang kami with the media at that time. So, hindi naman like totally serious. Well, actually, that time, I think we were just joking lang. Nag-have time lang having time lang kami with the media at that time. So, hindi naman like totally serious.
So,
Yeah.
binabawi mo na.
Hindi
Binabawi mo na.
naman. Hindi
Uh,
naman. Hindi ko naman binabawi. I just wanna say it ng maayos lang. Pero, yeah, aminin ko na rin naman na yes. Pero, syempre, di naman forever bata tayo, right? Lumadaan tayo
yeah.
sa
But,
pag-mature.
oo. So, Christine, para isuko mo sa kanya yung virginity mo, nakikita mo bang talagang he is really the one for you?
Ayop ka, Jun.
Hindi,
Sorry,
naloka kasi
Christine,
ako.
mukhang
At
kasalanan ko
least
to.
ito, at least
Back
Zoom
to you,
interview
Sherry.
to, tayo. In-announce niya, pati doon sa radio interview. Oo, nakakaloka. Oo.
Ay, hindi ko in-announce. Like what I
Sinabi
said,
mo na hindi ka na virgin. Sinabi mo virgin ka
hindi,
na nagsimula.
nagpa-play. Oh, yeah. Just for playing time. But, oo, sige. Hindi ko na alam kung
Napakinggan ko yun, ha?
Virgin ka
Naku,
pa rin, Christine, sa Pars.
at least, di ba, na-virgin na din ako, finally.
Virgin ka pa rin sa Pars.
Yes, virgin pa
Yeah.
din ako.
Kaloka yung usapan natin dito, Jun. Pero virgin pa ako. I don't know what she's talking about. Pero ako, virgin eh.
Really? My gosh.
Oy,
So, ang
tigilan mo.
headline
Ang
bukas,
church ko eh.
after umamin si Christine na hindi na siya virgin, Nico, virgin pa raw. Bongga.
Hindi pala yung naka-virgin sa akin, ah.
Eh, na-virginize ako dito sa Manyak.
Yeah.
No, but in serious,
Yeah.
all seriousness,
Anyways, yeah.
I was just gonna say, June, in all seriousness, Christine, yeah, alam ko na, I mean, ako ang first boyfriend niya. So, syempre, it's sacred. A girl's virginity is sacred eh. Iba talaga sa mga lalaki compared to women, right? So, alam ko going into the relationship na importante talaga. And if playtime lang, hindi ko gagawin yan sa kanya. Kasi if it's playtime, it's usually just a one night stand or a few times, diba? And I ko gawin yan sa kanya because again, a virginity to a woman is very sacred. And yung first man nila, they will always remember that for the rest of their lives. Yung mga in-between guys, yung mga fling guys, wala yan. Pero yung first guy, sa isang babae, importante talaga.